Hi guys, so if this thing does excites you, then stay tuned for the video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm back with yet another drone unboxing and review video. So this is a very newly launched drone on Amazon which costed me around 5000 rupees. So the people who used to purchase drone from AliExpress, they must be aware of E88 dual camera drone. This is the same drone, but Amit Asha or Super Toy don't know the seller. They have renamed it to Just a Selfie dual camera drone. So we'll open this and we'll see what we get. So this drone got delivered to me in 5 days. That's fine. So you won't get any plastic bag, you can say, like other drones of Amazon. You'll get this good quality bag, and the quality of this bag is really good. You can carry it like this. So now we'll open this and see what we get. So you can see the beautiful drone plus the double battery. First of all, onto the goodies part. So this is a user manual, and if you are new to the world of the drone, or if also you are getting this drone for the very first time, you should read this first to know the functions, to know the features, and then you can go to the flying part. Just to let you know, the drone manual is available in Mandarin, Chinese and English. This is a very new drone to Amazon, but this drone was launched on AliExpress 2 to 3 years back, but I was not able to take it, and then the unfortunate AliExpress ban came for the right cause only. So RCFEB is the app which you need to download from Google Play Store to run this application, and this is the interface of the app. You can see RCFEB, or you can scan this code as well. And in case you know Chinese, you can go through this as well. Okay, now on to the goodies part. So 4 propeller guards, in case you are very new to the world of drone and you collide your propellers, this propeller guard will help you to not collide the drone in the wall or to a person. This will protect you, but remember, uh, this drone gives you a flight time of about 15 minutes, but it can be reduced to 10 minutes or 12 minutes if you play with this propeller, because the reason is, when you apply this propeller, the weight of the drone will be more, so the battery consumption will be more as well. So that is why it will give you less battery. One thing more, you can save your battery by not applying propeller guards, but I would not recommend you if you are not a very skilled pilot. Plus, if the wind is very high and you are flying your drone at a very high speed, like there are three speeds in this drone, one is low, one is high, and one is medium. So if you are flying on a low, you can say low speed, then that is fine, it will give you around 15 minutes of battery. But if you are flying it on medium range, it will give you around 13 minutes of battery. If you are flying it on high range, it will give you 7 to 8 minutes of fly. And there are some more tips how you can save the battery. First tip is, if you don't do the 360 flip more often, it will save some battery. Second thing, if you don't just run your drone left right, and that is very uneven path, if you are running your drone on a very uneven path, then again you will just end up losing some battery. We have some more things. So this is the charging cable, the normal USB type charging cable for. Okay, so now we'll take out one extra battery. So now if you need to charge it, you just need to plug it in like this, and you can connect it to a USB adapter. Then a red light will blink in this battery, and when the battery is fully charged, the light will go off. Remember, these Chinese thing, don't never overcharge it, because if you do, the life of the battery will degrade, and also your drone, so it is not a recommended thing for you. Now a screwdriver to repair your drone, that's really good. And then last but not the least, true extra propellers in case if you break any one of them, that's also good. So now let's keep it aside. So on to the transmitter part. Now you can see the transmitter, it's really a premium finish transmitter. I really like that. But again, these signal antenna, they are worth nothing, they are just a piece of plastic, they won't do anything, so just ignore it. And these are the function keys. I'll tell you. First we'll install the batteries. Three AAA batteries, sorry, 3 AA batteries. So we'll insert our batteries and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we'll turn this on and you can see blue color lights. That's really rare. In the Chinese drone you will find only red light batteries, but this is blue, so this is very unique. I really like that. Now for the basic functions of this drone, what you need to do is, first we'll talk about the trim buttons. So when your drone is drifting to the right side, you need to press this right button, so it will be balanced to the trim position. Then if your drone is drifting towards left position, you can press this right trim button, so it will be balanced. If your drone is going forward, so you need to press this back button and it will be trimmed. Until and unless it is trimmed, you can press this button. And if your drone is coming backwards, you can press this button for the trim thing. Now one key takeoff button and one key landing button. So this is very basic function. Now this is the speed switch. We have got only two speed, one is low speed and one is high speed. This is the headless mode button. So headless mode basically means like this is the camera of your drone. Okay, so when we fly the drone, we fly like this. The camera is facing that side, not towards you. So when we fly it, this goes like this. But when we press the headless mode, so you can just rotate your drone to any position and it will, when you press this back button, it will just come back. So headless mode is this function only. And when you rotate your drone, you do like this, you can do like this, so the drone will rotate. And some other features, this is the 360 flip. So if you want to save the battery and if you want your drone to be in a good shape, don't use 360 flip. Yes, you can do it at some instant but not in every flight. And this is the calibration button. Calibration means when your drone is drifting towards any direction, so you need to place the drone on a flat surface and you need to press this calibration button, so the drone will be calibrated. Okay, so as I told you, this is a two battery drone. We got two batteries in 5,000 rupees, so this is a really budget buy. And to let you know guys, this drone will go out of stock very soon, so you should grab it as soon as possible, because this is a very new drone. You know that uh, drones like Pioneer or Drone Foldable S, these all cheap quality drones are only available on Amazon, but this is a very new product. Yes, this drone was launched in 2019. I was checking it out on AliExpress, but could not, could not grab it. But finally, after 2 years, it is back in India. It is an imported product. So here is a beautiful drone, beautiful machine. So for 5,000 rupees, this is a budget buy. But on AliExpress, this drone costed you around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees, but that was a single camera drone. This is a dual camera drone, so this is very different thing. Okay, so now we'll open the propeller of this drone and you can see this is so great quality build up. I really liked it. So here is your drone. I just loved it, loved the color, loved the in premium finish. So here it is, goes like this. At this point you will feel that it is a bit steep, it is going upwards, and at this leg it is a bit downward, so you will feel that it is not well balanced, but there is nothing like that. And here is your second battery. So to take out the battery, you just need to do one thing. You can see this thing, you just press it and it will come out. You need to insert it like this. Okay, so here is your camera, and the gimbal is not really mechanical, so you need to adjust it from your hands only. You can see, you can adjust it, and that is a very good feature. This camera, they are saying that this is a 4K camera, and the other camera is a 1080 pixel camera, but it only records 20 seconds per 20 frames per seconds. So that is fine, that is not really good, not really bad, that is very fine. And for a toy grade drone, I must say that these quality of drones, this type of quality of camera and drone, that is really really good. So now we'll turn on the drone and let's see. And one thing more, this is the Wi-Fi antenna. If you can see, if my camera is fine enough, you can see this is the one. So this is the dual camera drone. Now let's turn this drone on. To turn this on, you just need to press this button, as you can see, this button, for 2 to 3 seconds, and you can see the beautiful thing, the blue lights from the back, and from the front of the drone you can see the eye of the drone. It's so sharp, the white color. So you can also apply the propeller guards, as I told you, if you want to, like this. So now we'll test this drone, and also the camera quality of the drone will be showcasing it in the next part, or in the same video. I'm really sorry, we'll be showcasing it in the same video, so stay tuned. Hello guys, so before the flying test and before everything else, I just need to tell you one thing more. So as I told you, the battery life, the battery capacity is 3.7 volt and 1800 mAh. So it will give you a battery life of around 15 to 17 minutes. But as I told you, how you can save the battery life. So also the range of this drone is a controllable distance is 100 meters. So let me tell you, this is a 2.4 gigahertz drone, and 2.4 gigahertz won't offer you much distance. It will be like 100 meters to 150 meters only. But the drone manufacturers are saying that they will give you a distance of 100 meters in the drone and 40 to 50 meters in the Wi-Fi transmission. So you can see the image till the, you can say, till 50 meters, and more above than that you won't see the image. The Wi-Fi signal will be lost, but your drone will continue to fly and will be controllable. More than 100 meters the drone will not be controllable, so it is on your hands how you will control it. So now let's keep it aside, and we'll talk about the app thing now. So for the app, you first need to go to the Play Store. I'm using this Android phone, so RCFEP if is what you need to search. You can see RCFEP 44 MB app. You can open this app. So now first we'll connect the drone, and I'll tell you the basic functions of this app. The drone is turned on. Now we'll open the Wi-Fi of our smartphone. Wi-Fi is off, I'm sorry. So now you need to search for Wi-Fi HD 4K 7070BE. Okay, so it is connected, as they say. RCFEB is what you need to open. Start the app, and for some reason I'm not able to record a video of this drone on this app. There are this problem persists for me on Seema drone as well. So I think there is a problem with my phone only. So if the problem does persist, you can go with the screen recording. If not, then you are good to go with the application. So for recording the video, you can just press this button, the video button, and you can see the video is turned on. But you can take the but I can do take the camera, the image, and you just press this button. You can see pictures, and you can see the image quality is way far too good than other Amazon drones. So more features. Okay, so this is the front camera, and you can see the quality of the front camera. See, that's really good. You can see. So now on to the this camera, the second camera, the secondary camera, which is downwards. You just need to press this button, the camera button, swap, and you can see the below images are showing. That's really also good. I think this is a 1 MP camera and the front camera is 5 MP, but the camera and the image quality is really good. You can make out everything good. Really liked it. So this is the speed switch: 30% speed, 60% speed, 100%, and again 60% fixed height. And now the controller part. So you can see it is well configured, and you can fly this from the app as well. This is the gesture selfie mode. If you just click this button and in front of the camera, if you do like this, your picture will be clicked. So this is one good feature. This is the trajectory part. So when you press this button and you just draw the trajectory like circle, so drone will rotate in a circle as well. 360 flip button, and I don't know this mode, compass mode, and these are the setting. Okay, and this is the VR mode, so you can also do VR thing with this. Again you have music mode, so you can confirm this music and record, so you can record some great videos for your social media. These are the functions of the app. Now on to the flying part. So guys, now on to our simple flying test. You can see the drone. Now push the throttle up and down, it is paired. One key takeoff button. You can see, like so stable. You can compare it with DJI Tello as well. It's so stable. You can see the flight, and if you think it's not stable, again one key landing button, land it, and you can press this calibration button, so it's calibrated. Now you again fly it. You can see it's so stable. Again you can see the battery is dead. When the light blinks, the blue light starts to blink and then goes off. It means that the battery is low and you need to charge it. So now on to the camera part. So guys, now we will test the below camera. Then you see our camera is. You can see the image quality is just fine. Hey guys, so after just using this drone for 3 to 4 days, I'm really happy with the price and the deal which I've got. So you can charge your battery in just 1 hour, and 2 batteries will be charged in 2 hours, and for that you will get a flying time of 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, and that is really good. I've collided this drone 3 to 4 times, but you can see nothing is really wrong with this drone, nothing is broken, everything is intact. So durability is a must factor in the drone, but here durability is the best. Then again, value for money. You can fly this drone for around 100 meters. You can see the image quality, it's really good. So I just want to say that don't miss this deal. I'm giving you a link, you can check it out, for the Indian buyers from Amazon and for the international buyers as well from AliExpress or Banggood. You will just love this drone. So stay tuned for more videos, and as of now I hope you like this video. So keep wearing a mask and please get vaccinated, because the fight is not over as yet. So stay tuned for more. Bye bye for now.